How do you read your Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan Explanation of Benefits? So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to read your Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan Explanation of Benefits, here's what you need to do. So, first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome, and just type in whatever I'm typing over here, that is bcbsm.com/individual/help, using your account slash explanation dash benefits. Make sure to search in for exactly this. So once you search in for that, you will land on this page where you can easily read about it. So let's understand what is an EOB. So EOB shows you the cost associated with the services you received, including what was billed, any discounts, what we pay, total covered, and what you pay. So since an EOB isn't a bill, what you pay is for your information only. So if you owe the doctor, hospital, or dentist, they will send you an invoice. Comparing the two is a good way to make sure you are getting billed correctly. So since not all claims generate an EOB, for example, you won't get an EOB for prescriptions, you can expect to see your medical or dental EOBs. So similarly, you can also read about EOBs in your member account by simply logging into your BCBSM application or your website. So you can also read for the further information by simply heading over to this article just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.